Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to decluttering or starting your minimalist journey, today's video will save you a lot of stress. We're talking about the most common decluttering mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them so your home feels lighter, calmer, and easier to manage. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, starting with the hardest things first. The biggest mistake? Starting with sentimental items. Old letters, gifts, photos, these make you emotional and slow your progress. Begin with the easy categories, like old papers, expired products, or clothes you never wear. Quick wins build momentum, and you'll feel motivated instead of overwhelmed. Mistake number 2, decluttering without a plan. A lot of beginners dump everything on the floor and then feel stuck. Decluttering without a plan leads to chaos. Choose one small area at a time, a drawer, a shelf, or one corner. Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes and focus on finishing just that space. Small steps prevent burnout. Mistake number 3, keeping things just in case. This phrase is the enemy of a clutter-free home. If you haven't used it in the last year, chances are you won't need it. Instead of holding on to duplicates, broken items, or unused decor, trust yourself. You will be okay without keeping everything just in case. Mistake number 4, buying storage bins before decluttering. This one surprises people. Many beginners rush to buy baskets, bins, and containers thinking it will organize everything. But storage does not fix clutter, it just hides it. First declutter, then see what storage you actually need. You'll save money and avoid bringing more stuff into your home. Mistake number 5, decluttering without letting go mentally. Another mistake is removing clutter physically but still feeling attached emotionally. If you keep thinking, maybe I'll use it later, it will creep back into your life. Instead, focus on the reason you're decluttering: to make your home calmer, to reduce stress, to keep only what adds value. Letting go truly starts in your mind. So those are the biggest decluttering mistakes beginners make, and now you know how to avoid them. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and let the process feel good, not stressful. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more minimalist and simple living videos. And tell me in the comments, which mistake have you made before? Thanks for watching!